Unfortunately, we have reached another destination. It's a bit different, though we are still roaming in the same mountain range, forest area, and the difference is in the brook, a stream, water is flowing on the rocks, and you can see a different scene here. It is also surrounded by without trees. You can see here few vehicles, some cars, because people come here, they enjoy here, and that is the car in which we are traveling. And you see, I will show you water flowing the stream, and some people are sitting around here watching the water flowing, and it is gentle breeze blowing all around, air which is full of life. It gives a different feeling of joy. It's very graceful and it's very peaceful, and luckily you can see people. What is it? You can see some people here doing their lunch. Meanwhile, I will also like to go towards the stream and spend some time there. People, it's really wonderful here. So I see some people are cooking there. We have already prepared our food for night, and see, there is a forest grading. You can see here. There are some children with us who are here enjoying very good time. Now you can see water, and now I'm very close to the stream. The water is flowing here. You can see me here, and I would like to come closer. Even I wanted to wash here, but maybe I'm not interested. But here you need to be careful because the water is flowing with high speed. Oh! Ah! Oh! Actually, we want to bring back our children because it can be harmful to them if they go close. Yes, ah! See those two children with us. They wanted to touch water. They wanted to have some fun in the water. Now I'm here close to water. It's a rock, white rock. Now I'm here. You can see water flowing all around, and I'm in the middle of this stream. You can see water all around. You can see water all around flowing. And you can see this is the level of water flowing. I don't know what is source of water. Maybe it is some glacier which is not visible from here. It's not visible from here. Mostly the water we have in Kashmir flowing in the jungles, in the mountains. Source is the principal source of water is glaciers and the snow, capital mountains. It is main source of water. So here is one more. He is my brother, maternal brother.
Very good, sir.
Yes, yes. This Shakir with me, and we will have a lot of fun there with some other people.